Hello, hello. Welcome back. Today's Friday. It's a very good Friday. It's Good Friday and a very good Friday at that. This time last year, Ireland decided to open the pubs on Good Friday for the first time. And a year later, the whole thing is shut. So I don't know what happened there. Unfortunately, we can't do the test study as to whether it worked or not, but we'll have to try again next year. Persevere. So I hope you're having a lovely day. The sun is shining in Sligo. Lots of gardening still to be done. Lots of readying out of the cupboards. Hope you're keeping safe and sound out there, and you all have enough to eat and drink. That's important too, you know. So today's song is called Red is the Rose, a traditional song, as in there's no author. The author is unknown. And we've claimed it in Ireland for a long time, and we're not giving it back. But I might as well tell you the air, if you haven't recognised it or didn't make the connection, is from the Bonnie Bonnie Banks of Loch Lomond. That song, you take the high road and I'll take the low road. So that's where the air originated. The words, we don't know who wrote them, but it was a favourite in my house when we used to have sing-songs. My neighbour Margaret Hagan would sing this one. I loved it. And also it's now my sister Rose's party piece. And I'm going to dedicate it to Rose today out in Strandhill. And also to our friend Mary Clerkin, a good old Cavan woman. And herself and Joanne are locked down in Lucan in Dublin. So this is for you guys today. Rose can't sing it for you at the moment. You could ring her up. She'd do it for you, no bother. But I'll do it today for her and for you guys. And I just want to tell you as well about Sunday, Easter Sunday. I'll be doing the Lockdown Sing Song for sure, but it'll be slightly different and slightly longer this time because it's going to be part of an online festival coming from Sligo that will be also for charity for the World Health Organization and alone. So all day from 2 o'clock till I don't know what time in the evening, there's going to be live music streamed all day from good old Sligo, where it's a huge amount of great musicians. And so you can tune in on the Hawkswell Theatre page, or my own lockdown session will be on this Dervish or Cathy Jordan page as usual. But if you want to get free music all day, but of course we'd like you to contribute to the charity, tune in from 2 o'clock on the Hawkswell page and you get free music all day. And then I'll be coming up at 5 or as close to 5. These things are live and all depend on the synchronizing of everyone else. But yeah, so watch out for that. That's on Sunday. And I'm going to be joined by some special guests from the house who are coming out of lockdown, especially for this charity event. So it won't be myself alone. It'll be me and my two housemates. I'd like to give a shout out to Amanda and all in California. John Wilmot, thanks for tuning in every day. Damien Connolly, keep her lit. Tina Rock, Frank Greeley, Jane Murphy, Listen in Denmark, Anne Bjorglien in Norway, the most beautiful hardanger fiddle player you've ever heard in your life. Helen Bomberito you're in California, I think. Matthias, you're in Austria, I think. Tim Eady, you're probably in Donegal. Laurent, you're in Paris. Pauline and Caroline Law, my cousins, one is in Dublin, one is in Roscommon. Carolyn Anderson, thanks for tuning in. And Peter James Coughlin in London. Thanks a million for joining in. So back to the song of the day. This is the easiest one in the world to sing along to, and I hope you're doing it wherever you are. And the more that's singing at the same time, the better I'll feel. Because that's what it's all about. Singing is good for you, and singing together is the most uplifting thing you can do. And I mightn't hear you physically, but I can hear you in spirit, and I see those little thumbs up and little hearts going up in the air. I know you're out there, and thanks a million. So for Rose, red is the rose. Come over the hill, my bonny Irish lassie. Come over the hills to your darling. You choose the road, love, and I'll make the vow. And I'll be your true love forever. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the vine, but my love is fairer than any. 'Twas down by Killarney's green woods that we strayed. The moon and the stars, they were shining. The moon shone its rays on her locks of golden hair, and she swore she'd be my love forever. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the vine, but my love is fairer than any. It's not for the parting of my sister Kate. It's not for the loss of my mother. It's all for the loss of my bonny Irish lass, that my heart is breaking forever. Let's hear you now. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the vine. My love is fairer than any. One more time. Red is the rose that in yonder garden grows, and fair is the lily of the valley. Clear is the water that flows from the vine, but my love is fairer than any. My love is fairer than any. I heard ye. Well done. That's another day. It's nearly drink o'clock now, and sure, it'll be all over before we know it. It's Easter time, and hope you have the fish all defrosted or fished. And we'll see you tomorrow, Holy Saturday. And it just so happens that Holy Saturday is the birthday of my brother-in-law, Rose's husband. So we have to dig out a song for Philippe tomorrow. So take care of yourselves for the next 24 hours, and we'll see you at the same time. Keep her lit, pass it on, share to anyone you think could do with a song in their life every day. And thanks for joining me. God bless now. End.